Attention self-builders and developers. Are you worried about overspend on your project and the stress that it brings? Well, you're not alone. Many self-builders and developers face these challenges, often wasting time and money, resulting in high stress levels and making their self-build or development journey expensive and painful. I am a commercial construction expert who's turned self-build development visions into reality. With a track record of successfully managing multi-million pound projects, helping self-builders and developers across the whole of the UK, my journey from novice to expert mirrors the transformation that I promise you. If I were undertaking a self-build development in your shoes, I'd download our free self-build development guide. Why? Because understanding the 3 reasons self-builders and developers fail to build their projects within budget and knowing how to fix it is key to not making the same silly mistakes. I'm offering a comprehensive resource for self-builders and developers from conception to completion, ensuring projects are delivered time and cost effectively and to the correct standard. Once you download the free guide, you'll gain clarity and replace confusion, empowering efficiency in every decision. Still on the fence? Our guide comes with insights that guarantee satisfaction. Download the free guide, access our resources, and let's transform your vision into reality. I'm looking forward to seeing you benefit from our guide. Now let's build your vision together efficiently and cost effectively.